Hello everyone, I've got the October Your Creative Studio box to open today. So going right inside, lovely, we have this. We're going to pull it all out and move the box aside. This is beautiful. It looks like a fairy. The business card here. Let's see, focus there. And on the back, a little quote. I'm going to set that aside. And the tissue paper, which is, ooh, I love how the sticker is just lightly adhered, so it comes right off very easily. Let's see, what do we have? Oh boy, oh, cling stamp. So I see 2 cling stamps right away, then the washi. What do you want to do first? Another cling stamp. How about the washi? Let's open the washi. I tore that, darn. Oh well, going rough with that. And the key to this box seems to be this lovely young lady here. She looks kind of elfin fairy because she's got those elf ears. Very sticky this time. And look at that beautiful, beautiful fairy washi tape there. Alright, we'll set that down. And let's see about the stamps. The cling stamps. We have 1, 2, and 3 of these packages that have a stamp in it. Let's go check out the smallest one first. Sometimes my lights have trouble because of the glare, but I think that's focusing there. Oops, don't turn it that way. Beautiful pair of fairies on a floral branch. Oh, look at this! It's a wood-mounted stamp. So I wasn't expecting, I was just expecting it to be like all of these other ones, but you can see, is that going to focus? Yeah. It's a fairy, smaller lady fairy there, and some floral arrangement around her. Set that aside here. And finally, another wood-mounted stamp. This is an, looks like maybe it's a fairy girl, fairy boy, I can't tell. And, can you see that? So I'll stamp those out and then show that, add that in. As has always been the case, these stamps stamp out beautifully. So let's get real close, maybe you can see all the detail there. Really beautiful, and this is stamped with the VersaFine Onyx Black. Then we have, how does this open here? Some of these. Let's pull one out. It's a little stationery paper. These are great, like, you know, you could glue part of it into the journal, or, you know, stick them in as a tack, or even if you want to make it sturdier on some sort of tag board or cardboard. It's a lovely little fairy on a leaf there. I love the detail. Can you see that? Okay, setting that there. What next? This is an interesting package. Let's see, how do I get in here? Look at the beautiful detail on this box. And on the back here, is that going to focus if I get even closer? You can see all the different things included. I'm going to just, it says Miss Time on Time Flies, I Always Miss You, designed by Miss Time. M-I-S-S. Okay, I got them all out of there. And this looks like these vellum stickers. Now these, I think, are just paper. Oh, that one's a really light vellum. Let me see. I'll grab something. Yeah, it's very faded there. The image. Oh, I like this one. A rose. Okay, so some of them are vellum, some of them are paper. And these, if I'm not mistaken, are Vellum Stickers. That's just... oh, what is that? I can't even tell what shape that is. Can anyone else tell what that is? Is this like a cut? I have no idea. Just a random blob, maybe? Anyway. Some mushrooms. Again, there's this odd cut. I'm not really sure about those. Some of them I can't. Ooh, I like that black and white one. Can't tell which side is which. Ooh, I like this one too, but it's that weird cut. So, interesting. Alright. On to the next item here. Let's see. I've seen this before. Just the image. It's probably like a, what do you call it, where anybody can use it, public. But this reminds me of a digital that I have with Tsunami Rose, that she's changed, you know, something very similar to it. So they're all the same on here, but oh, that's interesting. I'm not sure what, I think this would be good with collaging and just, you know, mixed in with other items. Nothing specific comes to mind right at the top of my head. This is cute. It's like a little book. And what does it have? Ooh, look at that. It's full of vellum pages. They're so tiny. They seem to be mostly different. Look, that one looks like ledger paper. I love tiny things. These would be great. Like, you could just staple onto the corner of a journal or a tag. Something that's a little more plain to add a little pizzazz to it. Add a little pizzazz. That's a funny expression. Okay, and a notepad, which last time, or with the squirrel one, I didn't even notice that there's different designs. So I think there's, what, 3 designs here? You got this one, and then, oops, get a little further, this one, and then at the back, there's a 3rd design. So those are just notepad. Lovely. These look like, oh, is this a sticker? No. It is. So it is a sticker. That's funny, I didn't even know that. I guess it helps that it says Flora Studio Stickers. This is cool because it's a sticker and you can, if you want, you can cut out the different pieces and use them separately. Embellish your journal that way. That's cool. Ooh, oh my goodness, this one might be my favorite. You could use it just like this, or you can cut out the stamps and use them. That's neat. Is there another stamp one? Oh, no, this just has the airmail border. This has that odd shape. I wonder if that's what those other stickers are supposed to be like. I like that. That's cool. Okay. Set that aside. And then we have these stickers. They're different than the ones we often get are like clear with the black. I'm going to be careful. There we go. I've been known to tear stickers before, so you can kind of see. It looks like it's more solid than... you can kind of see... No, it looks more solid. I think it's translucent, but you're definitely going to see color when you place that down. Unlike with the clear black ones, you see the color, the true color of whatever you're putting it onto. This is some beautiful paper. And it is just paper, I believe. It's thicker though than... It's a little bit thicker than regular paper. I love that one, and I love... These two right here are my favorite right there. So I think that covers all the contents. Thanks again for having a look at the box contents with me, and subscribe and stay tuned to see projects and things that I do with this. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.